Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. Today's topic nested loop. In this tutorial we will discuss some character pattern program. Here is two example to display pattern as you are looking on the screen. First we like to display this pattern program, but before that we having some parameter to find the pattern program. Number of outer loop runs on the basis of number of rows. As you are looking, the number of rows are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The outer loop will run 5 times. To print the character pattern, we can take two methods. One method is ASCII value, or other method is direct. We can take alphabet as a character. So here we will take A to E to run 5 times. For outer loop we will take for I is equal to A, I less than equal to E and I plus plus. And the next we having number of column. For this we will take inner loop. When the row is 1, then column will print 1. When the row is 2, then column it will print 2. When the row is 3, the column it will print 3 times. When the row is 4, the column it will print 4 times. When the row is 5, the column will print finally 5 times. That means the printing of column is vary here according to the row. In the first row the printing will be 1. In the second row the printing of column it will be 2 times. In the third row the printing of column 3 times. Fourth row the printing of column 4 times, and the fifth row printing of column 5 times. That means we can say that our outer loop is related to inner loop. That means when the outer loop I is equal to A, then the inner loop we have to run 1 times. When the I equal to B, then inner loop we have to run 2 times from A to B. When the I is equal to C character, that means the inner loop we have to print 3 times A to C. I is equal to D 4 times A to D. When I is equal to E, 5 times A to E. Here we can say that inner loop is depend on I. So j less than equal to I. Finally we have to print the value of I, not j. Means constantly we have to print the value of I. First A, second times B 2 times, third C 3 times, fourth D 4 times, fifth E 5 times, and so on. So we have to print the outer loop value variable I. So let's start our coding in Java program. With the class pattern character. For the main method I don't public static void main string args square bracket open close curly brace open. For the main method data type, here we have to character according to the question I comma j semicolon. Here we have to start with the outer loop I equal to single inverted comma A semicolon I less than equal to E. This one will go up to E semicolon I plus plus for the outer loop. For the inner loop we have to write j equal to single inverted comma A single inverted comma close and j less than equal to variable I and j plus plus curly brace open for the inner loop. Here system dot out dot print for the data type I variable, single inverted comma, sorry, no single inverted comma, curly braces close for the inner loop. System dot out dot print ln for changing the line, curly braces close for outer loop, close for public, close for class. Compile the program and run the program. So here we have got the output A, B 2 times, C 3 times, D 4 times, and E 5 times. Now let's edit for the second program. For the second program, everything will be the same, like the outer loop will be the same, inner loop will be also the same, only we have to change in the printing part. Here we have to print the value of J. First it will print the value of A. When the I is equal to A, it will run from A to A. When the value of I, when it will be a B, so when it will be a B, on that time the J will start from A to B. The same way here it will print A, B, C, A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D, and E. Let's compile and run the program and see the output. Here the output is A, then AB, then ABC, then ABCD, then ABCD and E. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.